Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Edmund Mindaros. And for today's quick tutorial, and I'm going to show you guys on how to reset your internet network settings on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer to restore back to default internet, Wi-Fi internet settings, and some reasons you were unable to access the internet or not working properly. And without further ado, and let's go ahead. So all you have to do is to select on a start menu. And then dito sa search app, ay kailangan mo lang i-type yung settings. And then click mo lang dito yung open. And the next step dito sa settings, ay kailangan mo lang select dito yung network and internet. So click mo lang yan. And then dito sa network and internet, ang next step ay scroll down lang tayo at select mo lang dito yung advanced network settings. So, i-click mo lang yan. And then dito sa advanced network settings, so ang next step, dito lang sa more settings, under nito ay kailangan mo lang select dito yung network result. Okay? So, reset all network adapters to factory settings. So, i-click mo lang yan. And then, madadirect tayo dito sa network reset settings. So this will remove, then reinstall all your network adapters and set other networking components back to their original settings. You might need to install other networking software afterwards, such as VPN client software or virtual switches. So makikita mo dito sa baba yung network reset, and then dito sa right side, and now mo lang i-click tong reset now. And then network reset. So are you sure you want to reset your network settings? And then click mo lang dito yung yes. And then you're about to be signed up. Okay? So ang next step, so close lang natin dito. So close. And then dito now sa start menu. And then kailangan mo lang select dito yung restart. Okay? So ganun lang po kasimple on how to reset internet settings back to default in Windows 11. And please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys and see you in my next tutorial.